Okay, we got half the roof on, the metal on. Now we're going to need to put the purlins on this half and get this metal on. In this video, we're going to do a time-lapse video to show how I did that. If you watched the last videos, you've seen me put the overhangs on each of these sections. How I built them up here in the roof and slid them out over and sheeted the bottom of the overhang. Right now we're just going to fill in the purlins between the two ends of the building. I set these purlins 16-inch on center, roughly. I could have went 24 inches, but I did the 16 inches for a reason that I'll show you in the next video, where I actually show you putting the tin on. I looked at the engineering information on purlins, and I have a 4 foot between rafters, if you remember me putting up the ceiling rafters, roof rafters. So I was a little worried about 2-inch stuff being enough to span that 4 foot, but after looking at the calculations, actually a 2x4 laying flat like this can span 5 feet for purlins. Well, they're talking about 2x4s that you buy in the store, which is not the full 2 inches. So I feel more than confident that this is going to be a good deal. In the next video in the series, you're going to see putting the tin on and insulating the roof. So stay tuned to that next.